So we are going to do telekinesis. I have been practicing telekinesis. So in this, I'll be moving the straws.
Okay.
Okay.
फ्लाइट है यहाँ पे कोई स्क्रीन पे?
नहीं.
पढ़ने को तो दिख रहा है फ्लाइट यहाँ पे. टेल मी समथिंग अ लिटिल अबाउट इंट्यूशन. क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, क्यों करना चाहिए, एक्सेट्रा.
रियल लाइफ में बहुत हेल्प करता है इन जनरल हाउ आई लिव. सो इट हेल्प्स मी इन डिसाइडिंग हु शुड आई टॉक टू, हु शुड आई नॉट टॉक टू, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द इंटेंशन ऑफ द पर्सन वेदर इट्स गुड और बैड. अभी कुछ दिनों पहले देयर वाज वन आंटी who lost a 30 lakh worth necklace. So then whatever came, we just sent the answer from my side and then they followed that. In the very next moment they found it. It's amazing to know that we sitting in a city are able to access to another city or a country as well. So kids have the ability to do mind reading also, like many of us can do that. But
What's the name of the book?
it says Upanishad Ishavasya Kena Katha Yogasara, Volume 1, commentary by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar.
Okay. Which page number are we on?
76 and 77.
Can we read the last word of 76? Just to set some context for the audience, I am at the Art of Living Ashram in Bangalore, and we are shooting an episode with the Intuition Kids here. And I have Nitya in front of me, who I am a little scared of. I think the whole of Ashram is a little scared of Nitya because she can do wonders and she can do magic. But we'll hear it from her directly in terms of what can be possible, what exactly intuition is, and explore some tricks. We have a couple of papers, a couple of pens, a blindfold, a Rubik's Cube, and some plastic. So we'll see what can be possible. But Nitya, before we begin, tell me something a little about intuition. क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, क्यों करना चाहिए, etc.
Okay, like intuition process is like a course by the Art of Living, and it's designed by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. So in that, it helps the child to catch the first thought. Because what happens is when we have our mind, that is the intellect which comes in between, then we tend to neglect the first thought which comes. So for an example, अगर देखा जाए तो हम लोग रात को जब पढ़ते हैं तो हम जब देखते हैं कोई भी पेज उसमें एक क्वेश्चन दिखता है, वील बी लाइक ओके दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू कम, दिस इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. बट समवेयर और अदर इन योर हार्ट दिस सेज ओके दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट यू फॉलो योर ब्रेन सेइंग दैट ये तो अभी नहीं पूछेंगे. And then next day when you see in the question paper, the first question is that. Or even if it comes with in context of an umbrella, बाहर देखोगे तो सूरज है बट अंदर से वो कुछ बोलता है कि नहीं अम्ब्रेला लो, बट देन योर इंटेलेक्ट सेज ओके नो यू नीड नॉट टेक इट, and then you see the next moment you are drenched. So when the mind comes, when the intellect comes, then you tend to forget the intuition. So that's what this process, this course really focuses on, how to overcome that intellectual thoughts and how to connect to the inner thoughts first and how to catch them.
So when do you apply your mind in that case?
So for me it's like it's a switch on switch off moment. I can access to it anytime at will. तो यूजुअली इंट्यूशन मेरे लिए रियल लाइफ में बहुत हेल्प करता है इन जनरल हाउ आई लिव. सो इट हेल्प्स मी इन डिसाइडिंग हु शुड आई टॉक टू, हु शुड आई नॉट टॉक टू, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द इंटेंशन ऑफ द पर्सन वेदर इट्स गुड और बैड. अच्छा नहीं होता तो अंदर से एक गट फीलिंग आती है कि यू डोंट हैव टू टॉक टू दिस पर्सन, एंड when I take that decision I feel safe taking that. Then most importantly is choosing your career and stream. क्योंकि 10th के बाद as you know there is a phase of lots of confusion and dilemma कि क्या लेना है, but I was very clear that I have to take humanities as my subject, later do international relations in my college years. So
how old are you again,
I'm
just for
16,
context? You're 16 years old.
17 soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
तो that's how intuition process helps. And then मुझे personally self exploring में बहुत help किया. So I used to be a really shy person before the course. I was really like a mouse, but after that, like now I'm a lioness. I became the first girl president of my school. So that
Let's go.
confidence.
Let's go.
So I gained that confidence after doing intuition process. फिर stage fear जो सबको रहता है वो भी मेरा चला गया. So I started doing public speaking. I won a medal from Christ University for that. Then I started writing poems and essays. So I won a gold medal by the Tata Building Group of India. उन्होंने organize किया था. It was on how to make India self-reliant. तो उसमें I won a gold medal in English essay writing. So then I got into photography. ये सब चीज़ें I didn't imagine myself to do it. But after doing the course, as I kept practicing, I saw myself getting interested in all those things, and then I keep, getting better at it day by day.
ये आपने बहुत रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स और एप्लीकेशंस बताए. आई वांट टू आल्सो obviously see a few of them, but before we get to it, I also want to understand, you mentioned applying your intellect, applying your intuition before your intellect.
Yes.
Has ever your intuition gone wrong?
No, I follow that.
हाँ.
Like since the time I've done the course, उसके पहले भी like I always used to go by my intuition. But somewhere, there always used to be one what do you say, less confidence in doing it. But after doing the course with regular practice, I feel confident in it.
So what does the course do?
Course it teaches the kids how to catch this. तो to catch the thought, ऐसी सब activities होती है. So blindfold is a medium for them to get inside, to go deep within. तो in that, ये जब बच्चे blindfold पहनते हैं तो obviously it's dark, and when it is dark there are no distractions. So getting out from those distractions and focusing on one thing. So like जैसे कि अभी आप अगर cube दोगे, तो when I'm blindfolded, okay, I'm focused to solve the cube. But if I was doing it with my open eye, then I'll have several distractions everywhere. So then I will not be able to concentrate.
But what if you're in a dark room जहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है, and just you are just sitting in a room, और कोई भी नहीं बैठा, कुछ भी distraction नहीं है, ना टीवी है, ना वाईफाई है, ना इंटरनेट है, ना फोन है, ना कुछ भी है, you're just sitting in complete silence, और कोई भी नहीं है, and then you solve the Rubik's cube with your eyes open. Will that work or will that not work? Is it, what I'm trying to say is it distraction or is it technique?
It's a both thing, I feel, क्योंकि
हाँ.
distractions are easy nowadays in this world ना. तो मतलब अगर कोई भी ऐसे ही चल रहा है तो फिर भी आंखें उधर जाएगी. You'll not be focused on what to do. It's not about doing everything in dark. It's about how you are focused, how you're centered.
Dark, by dark I mean without distraction. So for
Yeah.
example, when I say not dark as in not a dark room, but when I say in an empty room,
Yeah.
जहाँ पे सिर्फ आप बैठे हो, imagine करो ये रूम है जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग अभी बैठे हैं. अब मैं इमेजिन करो कि यहाँ पे और कोई नहीं बैठा, सिर्फ आप बैठे हो, लाइटें चल रही है, डार्क नहीं है, but there are no distractions. There's no TV, there's no Wi-Fi, there's no internet, there's no phone, there's no laptop, there's no iPad, there's nothing. Only you are there with your Rubik's cube.
Yes.
Will you be able to still solve it with eyes open, or is it not possible with eyes open?
No, it is possible, but for me it takes time when I have my eyes open. मतलब जिस तरीके से, even if I'm sitting in a light room with my blindfold on and then I solve, it's much more quicker than how I do it with my open eyes.
Okay, okay. So वो process के बारे में को थोड़ा सा बताओ, if you can talk a little about the process.
So it's just that we put on the blindfold,
हाँ.
and you can also test it out while we do the activities. So it's just you put it, and then for me it comes as a flash in between my eyebrows. It differs from kid to kid. तो for me it's just like ऐसा अपना जो लाइट से इधर वैसा ही होता है. So it's for some moment. जब तक जो भी कर रहे हैं वो हो जाता है ना, उसके बाद वो चला जाता है. So it's for few seconds. It's like a glimpse. And to keep it very simple, normal आंखों से कैसे देखते हैं हम लोग, but it's with better quality of vision when I put on my blindfold and I do activities.
Okay, yeah. Okay. How does your day look like when you know so much about intuition, when you act very... So, is it that जितने भी decisions आप लेते हो day to day life में, क्या वो सारे के सारे decisions intuitively है?
Absolutely.
So, it's always intuition before intellect?
Always.
So, how does your day look like when you meet people, or when you eat food, or when you are interacting with people, or go about your daily life? How does your day look like?
So,
what do you see differently?
I see things more in deeper sense now. मतलब वो कभी-कभी,
Give me an example.
Like understanding the people. When someone is sitting silent, all of a sudden you don't know why. Usually people जिन्होंने, like I feel, जिन्होंने course नहीं किया intuition process का, या फिर in general, they will not be bothered to ask them what's wrong with you. They'll just ignore them and go. But for me, after doing the course, I understood that sense of human touch. I understood the sense of humanity. You need to uplift people also. So I would go there and I would ask them whether they are okay or
but
not.
Would you not know पहले से?
No, we usually don't do that because we respect their privacy. So like कैसा होता है कि friendship में कैसे हम लोग पहले जाते हैं फिर बात करते हैं. So I prefer talking to them first and then understanding. So
but how does your brain segregate? आप कह रहे हो कि you prefer not to do that, it's a choice,
Yeah.
and I respect that.
Yes.
But how does your brain segregate कि यार इसका मैं नहीं पढ़ना चाहती? Because intuitively you can. Intuitively,
but we
you
have ethics of intuition. So while we do the course also,
Okay.
we have some ethics.
correct.
So kids have the ability to do mind reading also. Like many of us can do that, but हमको बोला गया है कि you are not going to do it because you know people have some secrets which should not be revealed out. So we don't even do it even if they tell us because we have taken an oath. If we even have that ability, we
Oh,
restrict because this is for the good of the society, not for the bad. So knowing everyone till their core is something which is a slightly not good, right?
but you still know it.
We know it.
Even if you don't tell it out
Yeah.
loud to the person sitting in front of you. For example, मैं आपके सामने बैठा हूँ.
Hmm.
Even if I don't tell you कि नित्या मेरे बारे में कुछ बताओ मेरे को, you still know what
Yeah, but
is
it's
going
like
on in
not
my.
deep. We just know कि you are not good, you are not having you know good day or something like that. ऐसा
अच्छा,
होता है. ज़्यादा हम deep भी नहीं जाते. We
मेरे को
don't
डर लगे.
usually
मैंने
do
कहा बोल रही
that.
you're not good, your day is not going well. मैंने
No, we
कहा
understand the intentions. I would say
got it.
moreover reading the mind or knowing them, we understand their energies, vibrations, and intentions.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Can we do some activities to
Yes, sure.
get started? What are we doing first?
Anything you say?
आप बताओ. Whatever
Okay,
you are
so
comfortable with.
पहले तो आप blindfold check कर लो
ठीक है.
and just tell nothing is there. आपको दिखता है कि नहीं? Just test it out.
ये इतनी बार मैं देख चुका हूँ वीडियोस जहाँ पे ब्लाइंडफोल्ड पहनाया जाता है और मेरे को पता नहीं होता कि वो चल रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा, दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा. जब इनके अंदर ही सब कुछ है. लेट मी सी इफ आई कैन एक्चुअली. ये तो
You can, हाँ.
नित्या,
हाँ जी.
यू आर वेयरिंग अ ग्रीन कुर्ती
Correct.
with some jewelry on you
Okay, correct.
and you have a tika
Yes.
in the center. See, I'm a genius. But yeah, I can't see anything. So
So
let's get started.
you can maybe write something in any language with any colors. You can use multiple colors also,
Okay,
and then you copy it.
okay, okay.
I'll write it on another page.
Okay. Is the intention to write it in the same color, or you can write it in any color you. Why have you picked that pen?
Because it's orange.
Because I've written in orange.
Yes.
Can I put my hands on top of the page if that's possible, or should I?
This page or that?
My
page?
page.
Yeah. Yeah. Done. And it's written subscribe to the Chilla podcast.
Yes, I have written that. And it is insane because she's picked the same color. I don't know उसे कैसे समझ में आया कि मैंने कहाँ रखा है, but मेरे को निकल जाना चाहिए I think from this episode because I don't think I'm needed here. But this is phenomenal. Exactly copied to the core. Can you also copy my handwriting?
Yeah, I can.
You can copy my handwriting,
Yeah.
my exact handwriting?
Yes.
Okay. Let's try it on a different sheet of paper.
Okay. Okay, for this I'll write it down so that you know it's better.
Okay.
Yeah.
पेन कैसे ट्रैक कर रही है यार ये लड़की? But can I hide this now, or can I
Yeah,
hide the upper part?
yeah, you can do it. पूरा ही कर दो cover, it's okay.
But you'll also copy my handwriting in that case.
Yeah.
ठीक है, perfect. It's the exact same thing. I don't know handwriting कैसे copy हुई. मेरे को इसका ना misuse थोड़ा सा बताओ, because she's copied the exact same handwriting. जो ऊपर का मैंने लिखा था, नीचे का नित्या ने लिखा है. I tried to play a little with the pen. She said pen दे क्या कर रहा है? So just wanted to understand नित्या, इसका misuse क्या हो सकता है? Keep the blindfold on.
किसका misuse?
Of copying the exact same thing, copying the handwriting. In that way you can forge signatures also, right?
नहीं मतलब see like this is when you permitted me to do ना, otherwise we don't do all these things. हम
हाँ.
जैसे होता है वैसे ही लिख देते हैं, but like we can do that, we have that thing to do it only for the demo purposes. ऐसे in general हम किसी के लिए ऐसा नहीं करते.
ठीक है नित्या, what am I holding in my bag, in my hand?
बोल दिया आपने bag.
बताओ तो सही. ठीक
It's
है.
a blue
Can you
color bag.
explain it? हाँ.
Yeah, it's a Wildcraft blue color bag which says Super Glide airbag.
Can you tell me Super Glide airbag भी बता दिया, ये तो मेरे को भी नहीं पता था. Can you describe the bag a little more in terms of how many chains it has? How does it
So
look
you'll
like?
have to turn for it actually.
Okay.
Yeah. So there's one chain, another chain. So there are 3 chains.
And what's written here? What's the color? What's the color inside of the bag? Can you also tell that?
Inside उसके लिए खोलना पड़ेगा, but outside this is like a stripe, slight stripes, जैसा thin stripes which are white in
हाँ.
color. And then it has like the bottle holder का जो होता है ना, वो इधर तक stitched up है. Wildcraft का W is in white, and then it's in a black color, square kind of shape, and then it's Wildcraft in the same striped strips design.
And if I have to open it, you can tell me the color also?
Inside one, yeah.
Can you tell me, looking at the bag or maybe looking inside, what's kept inside the bag?
तो मतलब the
थोड़ा
thing
देखना पड़ेगा.
नहीं it's okay. The stitched up thing is neon in color, neon yellowish green, lime green color, and then laptop भी अंदर, laptop bag भी है, वो cover जो होता है grey color का, side पे वो orange color का है, and उसके अंदर एक box type है which is white in color.
Orange type का?
This that thing, वो जो लटक रहा है ना उधर.
अच्छा लटक. But what else is there? Is it just the laptop inside the bag, or in
Then
this
you will
chain,
have
or?
to take it out, whatever it is.
But you can't. Can I show it to you like
It's
this?
black.
What does it look like?
Tripod.
What does this look like?
It's like a stand tripod.
It's a tripod. What's written on this book?
Okay, it says the last lecture.
By?
Lessons in Living, Randy Posh. Pouch, वो ऐसा खींचते हैं ना, black color का.
क्या लगता है इसमें क्या होगा?
It's a DJI mic set.
This is insane. This is insane. You can now remove your blindfold, Nitya. Can we talk a little about the entire process of how it happens? What do you see? And I want to talk a little about the real life, real world application. And for that, maybe we can have Shreya Didi on the episode. So can we welcome her teacher, Shreya Didi, on the episode now? Shreya Didi, पढ़ दो एक बार ये कैमरा पे.
Okay, so it says Nitya and Deepak are best friends from now and ...
And do you agree?
Yes.
Let's go. तो हाँ श्रेया दीदी, पहले तो बताओ चश्मा कहाँ से लिया आपने? ये इतना स्टैंड आउट करता है ना आपका ये चश्मा, मेरे को बताओ कहाँ से लिया आपने?
So I'm coming in the chill hour to chilling for just to chill.
Yeah, of course.
Online लिया मैंने.
अच्छा.
I just was I love yellow. And I don't know, I just felt like I should wear some yellow glasses. And I looked online and I just purchased it and it fit me perfectly.
Beautiful. शायद ही मेरे को एक थोड़ा सा बताओ कि एक तो how from when have you been teaching intuition and what was your first reaction when you met Nitya before and abhi?
So I have been teaching intuition for the past 10 years. So we had 2 years testing years also when the program started. And Nitya was my one of the first few students, small batch. We had 15 children, and out of 15, we took a small course in a house, in one of Nitya's friend's house. And I was amazed to see that all the 15 are demo children. All the 15 have done podcasts, and each one is better than the other.
Wow.
And it's incredible. I mean, Nitya did it when she was 8. She was so small, very, very cute. Used to hide behind her mom.
Still is.
Yeah, she used to hide behind her mom.
Acha,
So
that
she's
kind
so
of.
scared of
Ah.
coming into a public eye. And then I used to pull her. She was even scared to go out. So the first time I remember I took her to Mysore. It was her first trip without her parents.
Okay.
And her parents were quite worried, but she was so comfortable. And then we went to Kanpur and then so on.
This is before the course. This is after the course. After the course. Okay.
Yeah.
So what changes did you see? Were you really like amazed in terms of what happened? What before जब आप
She's a
पहले मिले थे?
classic definition of how a mouse can turn into a lion. And how a person who's so shy, who's so sitting laid back, comes forward on the ground and public speaking. And if you see the way she speaks, teenagers don't have so much depth in their words, in their experiences, in their emotions. They are so grounded and they're still so centered. They're so modest and they're so aligned with themselves. They're so peaceful. You know, the same
Correct.
friends around her, they're all like jumping. You know, the mind is jumping, emotions are jumping. They're so like flaky. And it's very, very important, I feel, that people who do and practice meditation, teenagers especially, they are very centered. They're very grounded. They know what they are doing and what they have to do and what is right for them and what is wrong for them. It's a very, very important education that you need to give. It's not about this blindfold. The blindfold is just a means. See, when you go to a gym, you use dumbbells to build weights, right?
Correct.
So the same way, the blindfold's purpose is just for you to go within. So because they are so distracted, you know, the moment you tell them, okay, and then they are looking here and there, what's my friend doing? What is she doing? What is he doing? So it's just the purpose is to go inwards. It's not about a blindfold activity. This course, let's just break that norm from our concepts that oh blindfold से कर रहे हैं, blindfold से कर रहे हैं. नहीं, blindfold का purpose है तुम अंदर झांक के देखो तुम्हारे अंदर क्या हो रहा है. अंदर देखो ना पहले. जितना तुम जैसे एरो को अंदर खींचोगे उतना बाहर जाएगा, उतना दूर जाएगा. So the more you pull inwards, it's very important that you sit back, you're studying all the time, and then there is a space where you're saturated. How do you empty that chamber? You're not emptying it, you're going to the next class, 9th grade, and then 10th grade, and information more and more, and then 11th grade. So that water beaker that is full is overflowing. Whatever information you're getting, it's still going outside. So what's the point?
इसका मिसयूज क्या है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर कोई इंसान या इतने सारे बच्चे हैं अभी आश्रम में जो इंट्यूशन सीख रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं, शी इज डूइंग इट सिंस शी वाज 8 years old.
मैंने तो आज तक मिसयूज नहीं देखा है, क्योंकि जब आप ध्यान करते हो तो आप इतना एकाग्रता आपके अंदर आ जाती है, अवेयरनेस आ जाती है. जितना आप अवेयर हो उतना आप सेंसिबल भी हो, उतना आप सेंसिटिव भी हो टुवर्ड्स द एनवायरनमेंट, टुवर्ड्स पीपल्स इमोशंस, टुवर्ड्स पीपल्स थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स, and towards the surroundings around you and your friends. A quiet mind or a peaceful mind can never be a shaitan.
मैं समझ गया.
Right?
अब मेरा context ये है कि for example Nitya has been in the ashram. You've been in the ashram for how
Since
long?
my childhood, 14 years now.
14 years now. So 14 years she has been in the ashram. When Nitya, what do you want to do when you grow up?
So I have planned to do BA International Relations along with Public Policy, Peace Studies, and Journalism.
Okay, and what do you do? You intend to become a journalist going forward?
Yeah, like I first intend to become an Indian diplomat for India. So that's one thing. Diplomat banenge. Journalist उसके साथ साथ बन जाएंगे तो भी ठीक है. But my focus is diplomat.
Diplomat.
For the nation first.
Perfect. And I love that vision for you. When we talk about her going out of the ashram, studying BA International Relations, being a diplomat for the country, representing the country in all world forums, etc. When she sees the world a lot more, मेरे को ये जानना है कि जब एक्सपोजर मिलता है, क्योंकि बाहर की दुनिया आई एम श्योर यू नो इज नॉट वेरी काइंड टू अदर्स, राइट? जब एक्सपोजर मिलता है, जब लोगों से मिलते हैं, जब चीज़ें होती है, जब काम करना शुरू करेंगे, जब पढ़ाई ख़त्म होगी, people are not very kind, people are not very nice. Since she has done intuition, उनको पता है कि चलो who to interact with, who to not interact with. But in a work scenario, you might have to interact with people who you don't want to interact with also. In that case, some malice might come, some hatred might come, some ill intention might also pop up. I'm not saying 100 में से 80 बच्चों में ये होगा. I'm saying 100 में से world is not a good place. Yeah, world is not, सब कोई दूध का दूल्हा तो है नहीं. तो कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी में तो इल साइड आएगा ही आएगा. My point is, how do you prevent the misuse of it? How do you control the misuse of it in terms of what can go wrong, what can not go wrong? क्या पता किसी ने कुछ maybe somebody can leak the passwords or somebody can do something that might not be good for the nation, so on and so forth. I'm not talking about Nitya in general. I'm talking about people in general, children in general.
Are you talking about children? Children will never do that. And when you
children, when they become adults.
Yeah, when you start practicing meditation and you're on the path and you're a regular practitioner, your mind will always guide you. It is not possible that you have ill intentions for others.
मेरे को बताओ नित्या, since you've done the intuition program, in your intuition, you always act out of intuition over intellect.
Yeah.
How has it helped you in school, in your normal education, and have other students thought otherwise of you कि यार ये तो special kid है, quote unquote special kid है, इसके पास तो बहुत सारे abilities है, हम क्यों नहीं कर रहे? Do you always top the class?
I am a topper, but
undoubtedly.
Yeah, but like the thing is, this is a good fact that my whole school has done. I study in Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir, जहाँ पे ये curriculum में compulsory है करना, because it enhances your studying style. Like it makes you more centered, more focused. तो for me also it really helped me in my studies. तो मैं पहले कोर्स के पहले 8 घंटे 9 घंटे लेती थी पढ़ाई के लिए, फिर उसमें मैं भूल जाती थी जो भी पढ़ती थी, क्योंकि I was also under a pressure कि I have to get good marks, top करना है. And
क्या pressure था?
यही कि see, that's what there was a lot of. Did you
put that pressure on yourself?
It came from others. It was not my own pressure. मैं कभी अपने आप को pressure
12th grade
देती नहीं थी.
pressure.
हाँ नहीं, मतलब I'm sure considering.
Yeah, like general pressure is always there when you are in that category of getting good marks. तो वो कोर्स के पहले की बात कर रही हूँ, अभी की बात नहीं कर रही. तो I always used to be under that impression, and then repeated revisions इतना करना पड़ता था क्योंकि भूल जाते थे. फिर repeated revisions में इतना time waste होता था. I would not say waste, but time used to spend, time just used to go like that. तो आधा portion जो पढ़ाए नहीं है वो ऐसे ही चला जाता था. So I used to go half prepared, half unprepared, half prepared. But course के बाद देखा मैंने regular practice करने के बाद वो जो लंबे 8 घंटे थे वो 4 घंटे हो गए. No repeated revisions are required. I remember everything, and also it guided me to an ability known as photographic memory, in which while I sit to study, I am able to remember the pages of my book. तो एग्जाम में जब मैं अटक जाती हूँ, आंसर याद नहीं आता, मैं बस आंख बंद करती हूँ.
ओपन बुक एग्जाम हो जाता है आपके लिए.
Yeah, you can say, but it's like a smart study, I would say. It's not a cheating नहीं कह सकते इसको. It's just something which helps me to be confident in what I study.
But is it so? इसका counter question or follow up question ये है कि for example when we study, when I was a kid, we were always told to understand the concepts and memorize. So when you are forgetting, are you forgetting the concepts? Or are you forgetting the real answer that's written on the page of the book?
The answer which is given in the book, I understand the concept. Of course, everything needs a base. Then you can advance at it, right? So same way, मतलब मेरा base school में clear है. But when I sit to study, of course you get gichi इधर उधर हो जाता है, खिचड़ी बन जाता है. तो for me the answer what was there in the book was never clear. द कॉन्सेप्ट वाज ऑलवेज क्लियर. तो अगर मुझे आंसर एक्यूरेट लिखना है तो आना चाहिए ना,
तो
पर वही नहीं
accurately
आता
लिखने
है
के
तो
लिए
फिर
अच्छा
मार्क्स कैसे
okay
मिलेंगे?
got it
So
got
base
it
was always right. It was always good.
how does education look like for you in the future when intuition is included in the curriculum?
For me, it's like more of a smart studies than doing that hard work is of course there, but I would say that stress work जो करते हैं पढ़ाई के टाइम पे, अरे ये बाकी है वो बाकी है. I feel understanding the time management and balancing and organizing yourself. अच्छा अगर 3 बुक्स है, कौन सी पहली पढ़नी है उसमें क्लैरिटी है, क्योंकि what happens is if you have 3 books you'll be like अच्छा ये चैप्टर आता है, ये नहीं आता, ये पहले पढ़ लेते हैं, ये बाद में कर देते हैं. तो it's like थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है. बट फॉर मी व्हेन आई स्टडी इट इज़ वेरी क्लियर. आई नो कि ये पहले बुक खत्म करना है, ये करना है. एंड देन ऑल्सो ये फोटोग्राफिक मेमोरी जो है वो दैट हेल्प्स यू इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द बुक रियली वेल. यू रिमेंबर इट. ये तो मतलब पास में भी बहुत कई लोगों ने, स्वामी विवेकानंद ऑल्सो हैड इट, राइट? सो इट्स लाइक दैट ओनली. एंड आई वुड से कि ज़्यादा ग्रास्प करना इन्फॉर्मेशन बट इन अ लेस टाइम, तो यू कैन इवन फोकस ऑन को करिकुलर्स. क्योंकि क्या हो जाता है व्हेन यू आर जस्ट फोकस्ड ऑन स्टडीज देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू फोकस ऑन को करिकुलर्स. बट फॉर मी इट हेल्प मी इन बैलेंसिंग ओवरऑल. तो स्मार्ट स्टडीज इज व्हाट इंट्यूशन प्रोसेस
awesome
मेक्स us do.
interesting
My answer is AI.
हाँ
Absolute intelligence.
देखा मैंने अभी आपने जस्ट लिखा है
It's
कहा
not
है
about artificial intelligence.
हाँ it's about absolute intelligence.
Right.
We'll move on to some more activities. ठीक है. What should we begin with? What should we move on to next?
I think we can get the
Yes.
kids.
Yes,
Or,
we can get the kids.
Yeah, you haven't shown your activities,
No,
right?
I'm not.
हाँ, we'll do a little bit of activity and then towards the end we might just do a few more questions to.
You mess this up.
ठीक है, आप पहले वो तो कर दो. बट ये पता है शायद दीदी, ये तो मैंने मेरा भी मन था पहले बीच में रूबिक्स क्यूब सीखने. मेरे को चुल मची थी कि यार द ऑपोजिट नेम टू द चिल आवर कुड हैव बीन द चुल आवर, बिकॉज मेरे को बहुत चुल थी सीखने की. तो मेरे को ना ये था कि मैं भी सीखूं रूबिक्स क्यूब का. एंड आई डिड नॉट नो आई हैव द पिरामिड, आई हैव द स्क्वायर वन. तो मैं यूट्यूब किया, मैंने कहा यार ये क्या है क्या नहीं है. तो उसमें देयर वाज कि यार एक सर्टेन पैटर्न था एंड दैट पैटर्न वाज ऑलवेज नोन. तो इज इट जस्ट द पैटर्न, इज इट नॉट वट एवर आई मिक्स इट, आई नो मिक्स करने को वो कर देगी 5 मिनट में, बट इज इट द पैटर्न और इज इट इंट्यूशन दैट इज हेल्पिंग हियर? आप ब्लाइंडफोल्ड कर लो.
Here it is intuition because she's on a starting point. If you know the starting point, you can do it. You can solve it. But here they don't know the starting point.
बट मेरा थोड़ा सा डिसएग्रीमेंट है शायद दीदी. मैं थोड़ा सा कंफर्टेबली बैठ जाता हूँ, मेरे को बहुत मजा आ रहा है शायद दीदी से बात करके. शायद दीदी मेरे को थोड़ा सा बताओ कि एक तो मैं समझ रहा हूँ कि चलो ठीक है दिस इज फॉर अदर्स, तब तक ये सॉल्व कर ही देगी, हमारी बात ही खत्म नहीं होगी. उधर ऊपर देख के करो.
पर उसको कैसे पता हो खत्म हो गया है? वो भी तो है, आंखें बंद हैं. एक टाइम पे आप बोल रहे हो ना कि हो गया.
पैटर्न है ना, वो पैटर्न उतने स्टेप्स में खत्म होने हैं.
ओह आई डोंट नो अबाउट दैट.
ये देखो, दिस इज वंडरफुल, दिस इज ब्रिलियंट. मतलब मैं आंख खोल के मेरे को 4 दिन लग जाए करने में, मैं नहीं कर पाऊँ. लाइक आई सेड आई हैव, यू कैन ऑब्वियसली अनफोल्ड योर आईज, बट माय पॉइंट इज शायद दीदी.
ओके डू दिस,
हाँ.
क्लोज योर आईज. नित्या.
हाँ.
ओके नाउ यू चेंज 1 or 2 sides. जस्ट चेंज इट. चेंज करो कुछ.
पूरा चेंज कर दूं?
कुछ भी चेंज करो, जो भी करना है.
ठीक है.
अब नित्या इसको डिस्क्राइब करो.
हाँ.
आप आइज क्लोज करो.
मैं आइज क्लोज करूं?
हाँ ऐसे ही बंद करो.
ठीक है.
आप बताओ भी, कलर्स बताओ ये साइड में कौन से हैं.
मैं बताऊं?
हाँ
मेरे को तो नहीं पता.
हाँ आप नित्या बता देगी. नित्या बताओ, ये ऐसे ही बताओ.
ओके सो ये ब्लू इधर है, येलो इधर है, ग्रीन इधर है, रेड इधर है.
पूरा एक्सप्लेन करो अच्छे से, कहाँ पे कौन कौन सा है. एक सेकंड, आई विल जस्ट शो इट टू द कैमरा. वी आर एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस साइड. ठीक है. वी जस्ट आस्किंग नित्या टू एक्सप्लेन दिस साइड. तो आई विल शो द क्यूब टू नित्या. नित्या कैन
दिस
एक्सप्लेन
साइड, राइट?
दिस साइड.
ओके तो इट्स अ मिक्स कलर थिंग. तो इससे दोनों कॉर्नर्स पे ब्लू है, ऑन द टॉप इट्स येलो एंड ब्लू. ये वाले लेफ्ट ब्लू, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी लेफ्ट ब्लू एंड टॉप येलो के बीच में 3 ग्रीन है, एंड देन ब्लू अगेन एंड येलो के बीच में 3 रेड है.
Perfect. This is perfectly explained. This is perfectly explained, and I love that for you, Nitya. Nitya, you
So
can now.
what I'm trying to say is
हाँ,
open your eyes.
open your
What I'm trying to say is it's don't get stuck with the solutions that they are copying blindfolded.
Correct.
That they're reading blindfolded. That's not the thing. The what we have to get stuck with is look at the clarity in mind.
मेरे को
What
इसका
is
ना.
the aim of intuition process?
Correct.
Is clarity in mind,
हाँ.
purity in heart, sincerity in action. These 3 things. If you have these 3 things, automatically you're going to be intuitive.
On that note, I'll give you two guys a break and I'll take myself a break. We'll call the two kids there who are waiting for a very long time. बहुत देर से दो बच्चियां वेट कर रही है. आ जाओ, कुछ करते हैं उनके साथ भी. हम कुछ करेंगे, हम ड्रॉ करेंगे और आप उसको कॉपी करेंगे. ब्लाइंड फोल्ड आप पहन लो. चेक करने के लिए चेक कर लिया मैंने, बट चलो ठीक है, एक और चेक कर लेते हैं. We'll call one of the other person who's with us here in the studio. Since my drawing is so good that I'm sure anybody can replicate, we'll call a professional artist with us who is present here. Zara, could you mind coming on the frame and drawing something for the kids? All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. मेरी आर्टिस्टिक स्किल्स थोड़ा कमज़ोर है आज. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मैंने बनाया, जो भी मैंने एब्स्ट्रैक्ट बनाया.
बंद कर लिया है, छुपा ही लिया. अच्छा, एक एक करके कर रही है. ओके. हाँ, खोलो
खोलो खोलो खोलो.
मेरा भी हो गया.
Wonderful.
खोलो.
खोलो
Yes,
खोलो, आप भी
खोलो.
खोलो. वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. मेरे को बताओ, ये कितना टाइम लगा आपको सीखने में? 6-7 महीने लगे. Nitya, what else are we doing?
So we are going to do telekinesis.
Okay.
So telekinesis
Don't
is
plan it, just keep it like that.
yeah. Okay. So telekinesis is just like moving the objects with an intention. ठीक है?
Okay.
Of the mind, like the power of intuition and mind.
ठीक है.
तो अभी देखो, आप देख सकते हो कि हमने बस ऐसे ही randomly arrange किया है straws, nothing particular.
ठीक है.
So I have been practicing telekinesis. So in this, I'll be moving the straws.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
बस that's it.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
I'll keep my hands also on the top. ठीक है?
Okay.
There's no magnet, nothing below. Please check कर लो.
हाँ, क्योंकि I don't know how you know, क्या मैं ये पूछने वाला था, आपको पता है पहले से, I don't know, but मैं basically ये करना चाह रहा था कि I've been seeing a lot of their videos and a lot of comments that they've been getting in previous interviews, जहाँ पे बहुत लोग ये कंप्लेन कर रहे थे कि अरे पीछे नीचे कोई मैग्नेट है क्या, वहाँ से वो मूव कर रही है, उसका हाथ भी टेबल पे नहीं है, वो हाथ टेबल पे क्यों नहीं रख रही, which is why it's moving here and there. तो हाथ टेबल पे है
हाँ, टेबल पे है.
और नीचे कोई मैग्नेट नहीं है.
And practically nose breath is also not going to work.
तो आपने भी कमेंट्स पढ़े हैं मतलब. ठीक है, आ जाओ, चलो.
Sorry.
All right.
Yeah. Ready?
One more comment was nose breath, कि ये करने से भी it can move, but obviously you can hear the sound when you're sniffing. But anyway, I'll not disclose much. Let's get going. Sorry, before you begin, are you telling me before which one you're gonna move, or is it?
It's random.
It's random. Okay.
Fans are off, AC is off.
Fans off, AC off, no magnet below it, hands on top, and we'll see if she sniffs or not.
That's it.
That's off the paper. That is off the paper. Hands on the table, no magnet below it. ACs are off. There's no AC actually here. No fans.
No sniffing.
मेरे को तो नहीं सुनाई दिया, मतलब I don't know internally कुछ हुआ तो,
ये
but
देखो,
ये मेरे को दिख रहा है, but if you could explain
Yeah.
or tell me a little as to how this works and what is the benefit, real life benefit of it in day-to-day life.
See, like, ये तो मतलब, okay, again, this is nothing to show it to the world. This
Correct.
is just to show that how powerful your mind is, how powerful the consciousness is. So it's just an aspect to make the kids understand that, so that, you know, ज़्यादा confidence आ जाए. They understand the depthness of how the mind, body, breath, everything is, how important it is. So that is secondary. ये सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए कि okay, the mind has this potential
Okay.
to the world. Okay, now coming towards the way how I do it, it's like एकदम सिंपल तरीके से अगर एक्सप्लेन करना है तो कैसे फ्रेंडशिप होता है. So I am friends with the straw. So in general, when you start a friendship, first you meet each other, you talk to each other, you first introduce yourself, and then later जैसे जैसे friendship जितने साल बढ़ती है उतना you know them better, and then there is one point where you know them completely. You know that okay, even if you say okay, you go and do this, they will do it. So that building of trust comes up. The same way, like I have been practicing telekinesis for I guess more than 5 to 6 years. In that मतलब मैंने पहले बातचीत करना चालू किया. First connecting is important. So I connected, and without having a doubt कि this is an object, I just considered it as my own. So ऐसा differentiate नहीं किया था मैंने कि अच्छा तुम straw हो, मैं हूँ. You are me and I am you. It's just the same thing. So with that intention, I just started practicing it, and then later I started connecting more, and then conversations start happening, and then I just say okay, you move, you move, you move. So that's how it is.
I want you to first tell me the name of the book, and then of course I'll tell you to read out something from the book. So firstly, what's the name of the book?
It says Upanishad Ishavasya Kena Katha Yogasara, Volume 1, commentary by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar.
Okay. Which page number are we on?
We are on page number, which one do you want me to say?
The left one and the right one both.
76 and 77.
Can we read the last word of 76?
Drop the hatred.
The Hindi word.
It's in Sanskrit. Mavidvishavahai.
And can we read the first 4 lines of the next page?
Okay, so it says the same thing. Mavidvishavahai. And then it says...
What language is it in?
It's in English.
Where is it written?
This is actually Sanskrit but in English format. English
Where is it
script.
written? Is it written
It's
on the
on the
center,
top.
left, right?
मतलब बीच में लिखा है on the top, on
Okay,
the center.
okay.
Yeah. It says because hatred spoils you, it kills you. Forget about the other. Someone can come and kindle hatred in you. It appears that they have kindled it and you are suffering, full stop. But they are happy and enjoying themselves.
Beautiful. Can we have a round of applause for her? This was wonderful. I don't know.
76, 77.
I know. I now remember. 76, 77. I told her to read the first word. She read the word correctly. I told her to read the first para. She read the para correctly. And I told her to also read the first word in the Sanskrit language written in English, but she read it out perfectly. So thank you so much, Nitya. This was wonderful. Last thoughts from both Didi and Nitya. Where do you see the future of intuition going? And if you had to give one message to the parents, if they had to enroll their kids for an intuition, why should they do it? And where do you see the future of intuition going forward, especially in clarity of thought and in education as well?
The future of intuition, I think it is the revolution in education.
Mm-hmm.
And ये तो education के क्षेत्र में एक क्रांति लेके आ रहा है. And every child from the age of 5 to 18 around the world, I would invite them to come and see for themselves, even the parents, and see your own child do it. That's when you will believe it more.
Why not? Why don't more and more people believe when they see a video? Why do they have a very negative notion of this? Because yesterday only you put out a video about this girl who had cut a fruit from with her eyes closed by putting an intention on it. And a lot of people, I was reading the comments, and a lot of people were writing कि यार ये तो बकवास है, fruit में crack already पहले से था, कटने के बाद तो वो और ripe होना चाहिए, वो ripe नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं, all of that. So why do people not believe it when they see it in first go?
Because
What do you think as a teacher?
There are so many people who have their own perceptions, expressions, observations. And for example, so recently this happened in the creators retreat. There was this one person who came, wrote a negative comment on my Instagram, and he almost got maybe 800 to 1000 likes on that.
Okay.
So I went on to that comment and I said, listen, I invite you to personally come to the ashram, do the program, and I will show it to you live. And in the end, I have a video clip of his saying, hands up, I'm mesmerized, and handshaking with me. And then I can't believe this.
So now you have to write a comment and call everybody to the ashram.
I don't want that. I want parents, people to send their own children. Because when you see your own child, even their parents feel, मेरा बच्चा सच में कर रहा है, सच में.
Correct.
तुमने ही जन्म दिया अपने बच्चे को.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
So 3 lakh children have done the Art of Living Intuition process around over 44 countries, right? And you can't seem to say that every child is fake, right? Every child is a spam.
फेक का अभी इन्होंने एक्रोनिम बनाया था ना.
Right.
आप बताओ क्या था फेक का एक्रोनिम?
For all kind experts.
For all kind experts. That is what she came up with.
Right. So these are experts.
हाँ.
You need to. I invite all the doctors, scientists, researchers to come forward, look into this, see the children, including the blind. Even the blind can do the same.
Can we replace the braille with this?
We won't guarantee that, but we have been having a lot of programs with the blind children, and it is helping them to a great extent. Without using braille, they are able to identify pictures. Like bhindi hai to wo green pakad raha hai haath mein. That one color itself is a revolution. If a blind child can understand a single color, even that I would feel is a great revolution.
And we've heard stories where you can find lost things. So can you just end it with a story that you've done?
So that's
earlier?
known as prediction. So kids who have done intuition process can help people find out their lost objects and lost people. So many cases have come as such. One which I fondly remember. Actually, when we answer ना, उसके बाद हमको याद नहीं रहता हम जो भी बोलते. It just comes and goes. So later when people follow up after they find the things, they tell this. So अभी कुछ दिनों पहले there was one auntie who lost a 30 lakh worth necklace.
Okay.
It was like a family necklace. So she messaged and then we got connected by the ashram desk. And then she found it, like some details she gave कि ऐसे ऐसे रखा था, अब नहीं मिल रहा. So then whatever came, we just sent the answer from my side, and then they followed that. And the very next moment they found it. So it's like exactly जो describe किया था. And I was sitting in Bangalore. She was somewhere else in India, some other city. मैंने उनका घर देखा नहीं, मैं उनको जानती नहीं. So people contact us like this, and it's amazing to know that we sitting in a city are able to access to another city or a country as well to help them out. So that's how it is. So locating exactly and then they finding it is something very shocking.
But that is your power. That is what you've learned, and
Yes.
we're glad that you're able to do that.
Yes.
And children can do it across the world. artofliving.org/IP. And look for a course around you. We have teachers across India in all the cities and across different countries. So just do it.
I love when I have guests who can do the outro for me. That's wonderful. But thank you so much, Shreya Didi, and thank you, Nitya, for being a part of the show. Thank you, Savitri. Thank you, Janvi, for being a part of the show. This was wonderful. मेरा दिमाग already फट चुका है. I don't think I have ever been so mesmerized with this. Despite reading all the comments, despite reading all sorts of negativity and hate, we've done what we achieved and what we've set out to. So thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment if you like the episode. We have a second channel called Deepak Parekh Clips, where we post short snippets from the main episode on that channel. Subscribe to that as well. You'll find it somewhere here and here. Meanwhile, you're here. Thank you so much for watching. आप एक बार बोल दो सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए. दीपक पारिक मेरे चैनल का नाम है, उसको सब्सक्राइब करने बोल दो. आपकी बात शायद मान ले. मेरी बात तो मानते नहीं है लोग. आप भी बता दो.
Yes, so you can subscribe his channel Deepak Parekh to be more chill.
We are best friends now.
Yes, we are.
Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys same time next week, Friday 6 p.m. with a fresh new episode. Till then, it's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.
Thank you.
Cut. Perfect. Thank you so much.